Okay, so let me just bring this to you because I think it's about time I bring it online. A lot of people have been asking me, offline though, how I am able to study anything I want to study and get to know about it, understand it and can even interpret it, even though I'm seeing that thing for the very first time. So, because of that, they want to know the hacks that I use. They want to know how I am able to do that. And I've told them, and he has given them massive results, and they can't stop coming. So, I've just been thinking, and a thought came into my mind, and I said, why don't you bring this online, free of charge? Okay, why don't you bring it online and share with some of my students, okay, or some students, wherever you are, following me, at least let it be what you can benefit, following my page. I've been a school manager and I have done so well for myself. I've been handling students. I can't count. I can't date it, in fact, when it all started. But I know I've been handling students and I've been guiding them on how they can study, no matter how difficult that subject is. And at the end of the day, they penetrate it and they get massive results. So if you are a student, this page is going to be so useful, too useful for you. And if you're a mother, a father, a parent, a guardian, you can also still tag along. Because my page is going to be student friendly, and those that really want to study is going to be talking about hacks on how you can study any subject you are finding difficult. I am not going to be doing the solving on the board. A lot of guys are already doing that. The videos are all there, YouTube and the rest of it. Mine is to coach you, just like the coach in a football field, okay? Tell you what you're supposed to do, and trust me, if you do that, you're going to get massive results. So today, let us start with mathematics. And I know that a lot of people they're gonna love this, because 80-90% or even 95% of students kept on bothering me, kept on getting worried how they're going to decipher how to handle mathematics. So today, I'm going to be giving 5 hacks, because I don't want this video to be too long. Probably next time I'll give you more hacks as we develop on it. Now, I need you to understand that mathematics is just any other subject that you can study and understand. Think of one subject you know that you're very cool with, okay? That whenever you pick it up, you understand it. Just see that subject as mathematics. And you will see that once you pick up mathematics to study, you have flair for it. So I'll be giving you 5 hacks, okay, that I am sure if you try out, you must come back and testify in the comment section. Number 1 is that you have to change your mindset, okay? Mathematics is a skill, not a talent. So many people think that those that can solve mathematics very well, they are born with it. This guy is a guru, is a genius. I mean, I wish I am born with mathematics knowledge, this and that. Nobody is born with that knowledge, okay? It is a skill. They learned it. It's a step-by-step process. And the earlier you understand that mathematics is a step-by-step process, it's not going to give you much of a problem. You just take it step by step. Don't think over the place with it, like, when am I going to finish this big textbook? When am I going to, I hope I'm not going to fail my WAEC, I hope I'm not going to fail my NECO, this one, that one. Don't think all over the place. Just take mathematics step by step, and I can assure you, you will start enjoying it. That's number 1. Then number 2 is, you must build a foundation. A lot of people think, especially those in SS1, SS2, and SS3, you normally think that there's no more need me going back to learn my fraction or learn my integers, my decimals, and so on and so forth. Okay, I've passed that level. No, in mathematics is foundational. And these are the foundational aspects of mathematics. You must go back to those fractions. You must go back to those integers. Learn them, the proper fraction, the improper fraction, the mixed fraction, the whole number in decimal, then the decimal part. 10,000, hundreds of thousands, and so on and so forth. You must be able to study all those things. Know what your IT teacher is. Just study it. Just play around with it. It's going to give you that foundation, because you cannot build a house without a foundation. So those core areas, decimals, you see integers, you see fractions, they are very, very fundamental, okay, for you to do well in mathematics. So that's the number second hack. Then number three hack is that you need to get a jotter of formulas where you be putting down any formula you come across. Let's just say you studied, maybe you calculated about quadratic equation, okay, and quadratic equation has 3 formulas to solve it. You have the factorization method, you have the completing the square method, you have the what's it called, I've made mention of the formula method, the completing the square, then the factorization. That's the 3. You just have to write down. It's only factorization that really doesn't have a formula to it, but it has a process to it. So have another jotter where you jot down the process or the formula, so that from time to time you can go through this jotter of formulas to keep the formulas afresh in your memory, because believe me, you really, really need that. Okay, good. Now the number 4 hack to getting better and doing amazingly well in mathematics is that you must dedicate at least, I don't want to say 1 hour every day, I don't want to say 30 minutes, 20 minutes, no, but at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes every day just to practice, because practice makes perfect. Okay, and if you can play PlayStation for the whole day without getting bored, if you can go play football in the field without getting bored, if you can even watch EPL or La Liga or Champions League without getting bored, I think 10 minutes, 15 minutes to try out your skill in mathematics will not be a very big one, to ask for. So just dedicate yourself 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Don't do too much. If after that 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even though you don't understand everything, just leave it till the next day, so that you can gradually inculcate the habit. Once you inculcate that habit of reading and studying mathematics every day, you see yourself even doing more minutes than that. That's number 4. Then number 5, okay, the last but not the least, because I still have some other hacks I'm going to give you, but today I just want to give you only 5 hacks. Now number 5 is that you must make sure that you do your corrections. Okay, when you solve mathematics and you fail it, don't tear it out, squeeze it and dump it in the dustbin like most of you do out of frustration. No, just do your correction and don't cancel the ones you failed and try to solve it. Do it, make it as a correction. So by the time you're going through your notes, you will see your mistakes and see how you corrected yourself. There is something it does in your mind that will help you to keep on pushing. Okay, so I've given you 5 hacks today. I will still give you more hacks, okay, but that will be in my next video. I really hope this helps you, okay, and I believe that in my subsequent videos I'll keep on dropping more hacks in other subjects, so keep a date with me. Now I'm going to give you an assignment just to know that you're actually enjoying this video, because if not, trust me, I may just stop and continue other things I'm doing. But then if this is going to help you and you feel that this particular one will help your son or your daughter, go in the comment section and just write good one, I enjoyed it. Good one, I enjoyed it. Once I see that good one, I enjoyed it, it's going to make me to give you more hacks upon hacks on how to study anything, and you can learn anything as much as you want to learn it. Okay, so see you in my next video.